Hi everyone, look at this tree. There are so many birds. This tree, there is no fruits, but I don't understand why there are so many birds here. Amazing. Oh, maybe these birds are going to sleep because it's past 6 o'clock in the evening already, but the sun is still strong. The sun is still high. Look, so many birds. I off the sound because we are here at the park. Somebody playing the music. So I turn off the sound. Beautiful, beautiful to see. We bring the cat at the park at this time. Our first time to bring the cat at the park because she always meow 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 at home. So noisy, so we decided to bring at the park. Okay, just few minutes staying here at the park. It's really hot. The sun is still high. Okay, everyone. Stay safe and God bless. The sky is very good. Nice weather, but too hot. Lovely birds. I don't know what's the name of this kind of bird. I don't know what kind of bird it is.